How to test the vacuum pump in a 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan. Another cars that might be the same, Jeras or another ones, maybe Volvos too. But this is a 17 Tiguan 2.0. So we have a, we're gonna test this because the brakes they are good the first time you step on it, but you see if you step 2 or 3 times, it gets really hard. So I'm gonna be testing the vacuum pump, this one, and by that we're gonna disconnect this vacuum hose. There we go. Get out of there. Okay, I got my gauge right here, so I'm gonna connect the hose into my gauge. Okay, I'm using the same hose to connect my gauge because all right, so now we're gonna start up the car and we're gonna see how's the vacuum in this thing. Okay, I put my gauge, I hook it up and it's connected at the pump. I got my gauge on the wiper arm. Now we're gonna start up the car and we're gonna read the gauge. Okay, so I hope the battery didn't die overnight, but let's see how's our gauge. Hey, hold on, I gotta fix that. Okay, now we can see the gauge. We're gonna start up the car. Hold on. Okay, as you can see, we got vacuum right there. We have 9 bolts. I mean 9 bolts. Okay, it's going up, it's going up. The engine is cold, so I'm gonna say it's okay. Maybe if it stays like that, it still works fine. I'm gonna hit the brake now. It's good. Let it go. It's down. Hit it again. Let it go. Hit it again. And now the brakes, they very hard. Hit it again, and now I got no brakes. And as you can see, if I pump it, I lost all the vacuum. It takes a while to pick up again. So that vacuum pump is no good. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace the vacuum pump, and then we read it again after. Like that. See, it doesn't recuperate quick. Hit it again. See, it's hard. That vacuum pump is no good. Okay, see, I'm pumping the brakes and it's just really hard. So now we're gonna shut the engine off and we're gonna go again, and we're gonna go ahead and replace the pump.